And the question is, what are your biggest priorities for innovation in 2021?
The things that we're really focused on are financial instruments addressing access to housing and inclusion. Just generally, things that are like equity, focused. We've looked a lot at that, like racial equity and everything else. And I think that financial instruments are a big way that things can happen there. And we've seen a lot of things kind of coming through that, especially like in financial education, which is interesting, but also is really important in that space. And then we're also looking at a lot of different ways that COVID has affected the market. So this is like this year in particular. And I would say another big focus for us is ways that governments are adapting and changing because of what's happened. And then also ways that development has and will change as we move forward. And like the things that we've seen around that would just be like hotel, people trying to do hotel and office conversions into housing has been a really interesting thing to get into and talk through a lot of those companies. And they do face a lot of regulatory barriers. So that's why, like, how do governments address this issue? And then how does the private industry address it as well? So those are kind of the two areas we're focused on this year.
All right.